a planet is supposed to have a sun. That idea is so familiar that the word planet almost feels incomplete without an orbiting star beside it. But the universe is not required to follow the patterns that feel comfortable to us. Some worlds appear to wander through space alone. They are often called rogue planets, or free-floating planetary mass objects. They do not orbit a star the way Earth orbits the Sun. Instead, they drift through the galaxy in the darkness between stars. At first, that sounds impossible. How could a planet exist without a solar system? The answer is that planets may not always stay where they were born. In young solar systems, gravity is chaotic. Large planets can tug on smaller worlds. Passing stars can disturb fragile orbits. Close encounters can fling a planet outward until it escapes its original star completely. Another possibility is that some free-floating objects form more like small stars from collapsing clouds of gas, but never gather enough mass to ignite nuclear fusion. Scientists are careful here because the boundary between a giant planet and a small failed star can be complicated. What is known is that lonely planetary mass objects do exist. Astronomers find them through methods such as infrared observations, when young objects still glow with leftover heat, and through gravitational microlensing, when an unseen object briefly bends and magnifies the light of a more distant star. These detections are difficult, so the total number of rogue planets in the galaxy is still uncertain. Some studies suggest they may be common, but the exact population depends on how they form and how easily we can detect them. What makes rogue planets so fascinating is not just their loneliness, it is what they teach us about the hidden violence of planet formation. A solar system may look peaceful after billions of years, but its early history can be full of scattering, migration, and near misses. Worlds can change places. Some may be thrown away completely. The surprising takeaway is that space is full of categories that blur at the edges. Stars can die into neutron stars. Gravity can fold light around black holes. Planets can wander without suns. These objects feel impossible because they challenge the simple pictures we carry in our heads. But each one is a real clue. The universe is not trying to be weird. It is showing us what matter, gravity and time can do when given enough scale. And the next question is just as strange. What kind of world could exist where the sky rains, something other than water?